Every payday feels like a magic trick. Your paycheck appears and vanishes just as fast. Rent, groceries, gas, a quick bite out, then poof, it's gone. You blink, and you're already counting coins before the month ends. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most people don't even spend recklessly, but without a plan, money flows out like water. You hustle hard, but there's no peace of mind. It's like treading water. You're moving, but going nowhere. Payday becomes survival, not freedom. Running out of money before the next payday takes a toll on your mind. You lose sleep, you snap at people, and life starts to feel like a pressure cooker. It's more than just numbers, it's your mental health. Let's be real about it. It's not just about spending less. You need a new way to think about money, one that works with your habits, not against them. If what you've tried hasn't worked, don't give up. A smarter, better path is out there. Does payday feel more like a pit stop than a milestone? What if you could break the cycle and still enjoy your life without being broke by week 2? I'm Sam, and welcome to Sam the Finance Channel, where we break down money smarts into real, simple steps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm sharing what works for me and others, so always adapt it to your own situation. In today's video, we're diving into a simple but powerful system to stop feeling broke after payday. You'll learn how to divide your paycheck, plan with purpose, and build freedom over time. This is tired of going broke on payday? You need to try this instead. Stick around, we've got real-life steps coming your way. This is tired of going broke on payday? You need to try this instead. Stick around, we've got real-life steps coming your way. Think of your money like water. If you don't give it a container, a plan, it'll spill everywhere without control. Most of us live like we got holes in our buckets. You need strong buckets, places to direct your money before it disappears. Scarcity makes you believe you have to cut everything to survive. But strategy gives every dollar a job, like assigning crew members on a ship. This mindset puts you back in control without feeling deprived. You don't need to feel punished just for using your money wisely. You don't need to feel guilty for spending. You just need to spend with purpose. When you give your money direction, you can say yes without regret. That way, payday finally feels like a reward, not a reset. Tired of feeling broke every payday? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a super simple system to take control of your money, no math degree needed? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to divide your paycheck into just 4 easy buckets. First bucket, essentials. This is your must-haves: rent, groceries, getting to work, and keeping the lights on. Try to keep this to 50 to 60% of your paycheck. Think of it as your survival gear on your money adventure. Second bucket, goals. This is your money's mission. Saving, paying off debt, or building your emergency fund. This is where you gear up for the future. It's like mapping your next quest before the danger hits. Third bucket, lifestyle. This is guilt-free fun, dining out, hobbies, whatever makes you smile. Budget for joy, not just survival. Life's an adventure, so don't forget to enjoy the view. Are you always broke days after payday, wondering where all your money went? Yeah, Lisa used to be right there with you. But she flipped the script, and you can too. Let's turn payday into your power move. Step 1, automate it. Lisa set up auto transfers the moment her paycheck hit. It was like hiring a money assistant who worked silently and never slept. No more thinking, just saving on autopilot. Now she sees where every dollar goes. Lisa uses a simple app that turns her spending into a visual journey. Watching her money move feels like tracking treasure across a map. It makes her goals real and exciting. Lisa made payday a ritual she actually looks forward to. Coffee brewed, candle lit, her budget became a calming, powerful check-in. It's not just about money, it's about control, peace, and progress. Every payday feels like winning the lottery until it's all gone by Tuesday. We splurge because it feels good, not because it's the smart thing to do. That hit of excitement, it's real, but recognizing emotional spending is the first step to breaking free. That $200 jacket, if you still want it tomorrow, maybe it's worth it. But most impulse buys disappear when you give them a night to breathe. Give your brain a chance to cool off. Your wallet will thank you. Practice the 24-hour rule. Payday should feel rewarding, But that doesn't mean you have to spend to celebrate. Try replacing spending with something else that feels good: a walk, a homemade meal, even a phone call. It's not about restriction, it's about smart reward. You wouldn't starve your body, right? So don't starve your budget either. If you cut too hard, you'll end up binging later. Fuel your finances instead of depriving them. Ever feel like payday comes and goes and you're left broke again? It's time to change that. Before dreaming of vacations or big goals, focus on building your first $500 cushion fund. This tiny step is your game changer. It's your safety harness in life's financial roller coaster. This fund isn't for pizza nights or impulse buys. It's your shock absorber when life throws a punch like a blown tire or a broken fridge. Park it somewhere safe, not where it's easy to touch. It's your financial first aid kit. Don't wait to dump in big money. Just start small: $10 here, $20 there. If you make it automatic weekly, it builds before you know it. Small habits stack up to big wins. Kevin's car broke down just before payday. That $300 cushion meant he could fix it and still get to work. No credit cards, no stress. That tiny fund, it saved his job. Sometimes, small savings protect your biggest priorities. Tired of feeling broke right after payday? Let's flip the script. Spending with intention isn't about being cheap, it's about taking charge. You're not depriving yourself, you're directing your money toward the things that truly matter. Use money as a tool, not a judge. Before you buy something, ask, what's the value per use? If you'll wear those $90 shoes 30 times, that's $3 a pop, not bad at all. It helps you focus on what gives the most bang for your buck. Choose quality over quantity, and you'll spend smarter. It's not the big buys that sink your budget, it's the little leaks. A coffee here, a snack there, ... It sneaks up on you. Track them, then choose which ones are worth it. Plug the leaks, don't drown in them. Think of your budget like your closet. If it's packed with stuff you don't wear, getting dressed is stressful. Same with money, random spending creates chaos. Keep what fits, ditch the rest, and build a budget that works for you. Let's face it, we've all had those broke by payday weeks. The cycle feels never-ending. But building better money habits doesn't mean being perfect, it means being present. You don't have to do it all at once, just start tracking your progress. No one climbs a mountain alone. If you're serious about building lasting money habits, talk about it. Share your wins, struggles, and small victories with someone you trust. It builds momentum like nothing else. Progress deserves celebration. Whether you saved your first $500 or stuck to your buckets all month, honor it. These little wins are what keep your motivation alive. They remind you why you started. I was once in overdraft by $2,000. I felt like I'd never get out. But I simplified my system and just stuck with it slowly. It worked. If it worked for me, it can work for you too. Let's recap. From mindset shifts to the 4-bucket system, building a cushion, and finally breaking the spending cycle, these small steps add up fast. Your paycheck isn't the enemy. With the right system, it becomes your biggest tool for peace, freedom, and confidence. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to Sam the Finance channel, and share it with a friend who needs it. Drop your biggest payday struggle in the comments. Let's talk and grow together. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress, one smart move at a time. Thanks for watching Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here.